Right, so that's the remote control. This is Justin.
One, which is our lower setting.
Electric pump on the back of this module. And that's mop up 1, which is at the moment an outlet pressure of 28 psi. That's going to be changed to kPa down the track. And there's your litres per minute water flow. And what setting's that?
Strike 1.
That's strike 1. So that would be attacking a fire. It's got some good pressure there.
And strike 2.
Even more pressure. And that's at 137 psi at the moment, 124 litres per minute. There's your RPMs. There's your battery meter on the left here. Tank capacity on the right. And as you can hear, very quiet. Don't have to yell. So how long, with a full battery, full tank of water, how long would that last on strike 2?
Water or battery?
Battery.
Battery, it was an hour and 45, I think.
Hour and 45 minutes, yep.
Yeah. But on mop up 1, it's about 10 hours.
About 10 hours on mop up 1 if you're running around the edge of the fire. That's battery life.
That's 100% duty cycle though.
100%, yeah, that's at 100% duty cycle. So you wouldn't, theoretically, you wouldn't be using it at 100% the whole time.
Be on and off. So
Yeah.
Double that time.
Yeah, that's right.
And
So,
it took the bark off the tree.
oh geez, that's 2. So what was the setting you had on the branch?
Just then was strike 2.
Oh, the litres per minute on the branch.
Oh, 100.
100, yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so right now the vehicle's in standby, the pump's in standby, completely silent.
And you can see the pressure on the gauge there.
Oh, yep. Here's the outlet pressure, 175 psi. There's 0 water flow at the moment for obvious reasons. The branch isn't open. So,
How many litres have we done? So today we've done 568.
right, is that's on a single battery charge or?
Well, yeah, we haven't. Yeah,
Okay.
we've not even used the battery.
Yeah.
Really.
So, okay, so you've used 500 and... So is that a full tank? What the hell?
Yeah, because we drained it before and filled it.
That's right, yeah. Rightio. So we've used 1 full tank. We've still got 90% battery left.
Well, we've actually got more. That's not properly set up yet.
Rightio, okay, that's still in development, so there's actually more.
And watch the bark on the tree.
Oh, we'll hit those dead leaves too on that next tree.
Alright, we'll watch the bark first.
Yep. Yeah, wow. That is some decent pressure, and that's not a dead tree.
It might be. If I
It
keep
might
that
be,
up.
it might be if it keeps going. Wow.
Look at that one. See the marks on that one?
Yeah.
Getting a part of the bark. Just open on the phone.
Can you change the colour remotely?
Oh, yep, you can do all of it.
Oh, wow. Right, so that light bar and the directionals are fitted to the service body, the pump, where the pump is. It can be all remotely activated.
We're still working on the app, so it's not finished.
Oh, okay, yep. Still in development.
Just so much time.
Yep.
Oh, shit. After all that.
Right, so he's developed a remote control app that controls the flashing lights on the vehicle. basically an emulation of the slick controller.
And we can go.
Right, turn all the work lights on remotely.
We can just go secondary.
Yep.
And then if we wanted to, for a bit of fun, you see the whole vehicle?
Yep. That's the deluge. He's operated that remotely. So that deluge would obviously have a diffused nozzle on the end of it to protect the vehicle burn over. But we don't have one of those at the moment. But
And you can see your water level there too.
so all remotely you can see everything you need to see. Your water level, right hand side. How big's the tank on this?
500.
500.
600, but it's set to 5.
Okay, and there's the battery meter on the left hand side, all via an app. So that could be looked at, from incident control, I don't know, an area director wanting to check up on each vehicle, see how they're going, etc. And yeah, can you activate the red and blues again?
Yep.
And then just flick it over to amber again. Just zoom in on the vehicle a bit. So again, there's no one at the vehicle, this is just all remotely. Yeah, switch it over to amber. Yep, there we go, amber. So that light bar, all the lights are actually mounted to the service body, so that whole body can be lifted off this vehicle and put onto another vehicle with the light bar attached to it, and it all works independently. It doesn't have to be connected up to the vehicle at all. It just all works from the power supply, power source on the service body where the pump's mounted. Doesn't have to be in this service body. This is just something they've made for demonstration purposes. That's the pump panel on the back. So you can do all of that via phone app or via a remote control. That
I'm doing here.
Oh, rightio, yep. Oh, yep. So it's changing. So he's operating using the phone app at the moment, and it's changing the screen on the back of the vehicle. You can also operate the pump just with these hard buttons. You don't have to use that. You can do it all from here, which this will all end up being labelled and everything, obviously. There's also a hose reel up there fitted, so he's just still working on getting that finalised. And you've got a delivery and a collector line here, an inlet and an outlet. So if this whole thing had legs attached to it, you could literally wind the legs down, drive the vehicle out, leave it at the end of a cul-de-sac. The local residents can drop the suction hose into a pool. They don't need to prime it or anything. This is all self-priming. It's all, it does everything you need. All you need to do is push the start button and the stop button. As far as operator goes, it can be all operated with one person.